Well, we have different type of challenges actually. We have challenges coming from competitors, for example, due to lack of new segments, which is pushing the margins a bit lower. So it's actually in a way, everybody's looking for a market share where there is no more new segments. So the margin is going down. That's a real challenge that we're having. Inflation, as well as I mentioned, is very big challenge for us. And the supply-demand issue is really hurting us. And if it doesn't change, then it will continue to be a very essential challenge which we need to live with. And maybe the consumer even will be affected, because what's happening at the meantime that the insurance companies will be hurt, the first or the second year during the high inflation, but at the end the premium will go up. Then the consumer will be paying the bill, which we don't recommend. So the best thing is to try to invest more in the providers, or put more encouragement from the regulators to build more hospitals, invest more, and ease the investment process. Same thing with the motor, that I think having more big players on the ground will help everybody in terms of even improving quality of service and controlling the inflation. Other challenges that we're facing is complying with the regulation in a quick manner. So as I mentioned, that we're a bit young in terms of regulations, compliance. So that's something that we need to be careful of in order to comply with all the laws and regulations, and to expect what will be introduced in the near future, looking at the international practices. So whatever is implemented heavily, in let's say the countries where the insurance been there for a long time, might come over. So we need also to learn from what happened in other countries going forward. Talent war is another challenging element for us. Being the leader in the market, usually we are attacked from other insurance companies to get our staff. That's a huge challenge for us, and we're trying to cope with it in introducing different programs and working on the working culture to be the best in town. Which we are been maintaining it for a long time, but we need to be also proactive in order to avoid having huge attrition issues in the future.